What kind of driver are you? Teenagers are most frequently killed in automobile accidents. Although you have no influence over other people's driving, what about you? Take this quiz to learn more about your driving style. Question 1. You are on the phone with a buddy when she informs you that your crush has inquired about you. You drop the phone on the ground out of disbelief. You. A. To get the phone, reach under the passenger seat. You must immediately learn what your crush stated. B. Wait till the next traffic signal or stop sign, to get it. Your crush is adorable, but a collision is not. C. Never drive while talking on the phone, therefore this isn't a concern. Answer, C. Good work. You are aware that using a cell phone while driving can be a harmful distraction. Question 2. You and a friend attend a party. While you didn't drink at all, he has had a number of drinks. He gets his keys so he can drive home. What do you do? A. Persuade him to give you the keys. If he didn't return home safely, neither you nor his frightening girlfriend would ever be able to forgive yourself. B. Tell him to locate transportation. If you weren't so busy robot dancing to your favorite old school songs, you would have taken him. C. Give him the keys. Though he did stop to throw up, he was fully capable of walking in a straight line. Answer, A. Bravo for you. You are watching out for your friend and making sure he doesn't harm himself or others physically, get into significant legal trouble, or do any of those things. Question 3. You are running late for a movie. There is an exit in front of you, but none of the vehicles in the exit lane will allow you to enter. You. A. As you floor it toward the next exit, imagine that your accelerator is one of the driver's heads. Simply take a different route. B. Scream obscenities at the top of your lungs and block one of the cars to get out. The previews are a must-see because they are your favorite section. C. Calmly go toward the next exit, counting to 10. You don't want to become irate. Answer, C. Well done. You understand that one of the greatest ways to prevent being involved in or the victim of a collision is to drive defensively. Question 4. It begins to rain while you are driving home from work. You hardly see anything, even with the windshield wipers running at full speed. You. A. Reduce your speed by 5 miles per hour. You need to be home before the start of your favorite TV show, but you also want to be safe. B. You can safely move your vehicle to the side of the road by looking out your open window. You'll hold off till the storm subsides. C. Drive normally. Everything your eyes can't tell you, your spidey sense will. Answer, B. Good work. You understand that you won't be able to notice other vehicles, traffic signs and signals, or even persons and objects by the side of the road because of your vision impairment. Question 5. The allowed speed is 45 miles per hour. You frequently do a 65 miles per hour. Speed limits are merely guidelines, right? B. 45 miles per hour. You would rather spend $200 on a new phone than a penalty for speeding. C. 50 miles per hour or more. You may have heard that police won't stop you unless you are over the speed limit by more than 5 miles per hour. Answer, B. Congratulations to you. In addition to avoiding speeding citations, properly adhering to the speed limits can assist lower danger and avert fatalities. However, keep in mind that if conditions, such as bad weather or road repairs, necessitate it, drivers should be ready to travel even more slowly than the posted speed limit. Question 6. On a road trip with your companions, it's your turn to take the wheel. When you begin to doze off, you are 5 miles from your next checkpoint. You. A. Ask a friend who isn't sleepy to drive while you cuddle up and sleep. B. Put the gas pedal to the floor and accelerate to avoid falling asleep behind the wheel. It is just 5 miles away. C. Turn on the music, grab a piece of chocolate from your book bag, and make the driver of the vehicle your backup singer. Answer A. Good decision. You should refrain from driving while fatigued. It only takes a few seconds for the car to run off the road or into another vehicle once someone's eyes start to close. Question 7. You fasten your seatbelt. A. Every time you get in the car, as soon as you do. Well, after you inspect yourself in the rearview mirror, at least. B. When your destination is more than a short distance away. C. Never. If you have an airbag, you don't need a seatbelt. Answer A. Yes. Belts in cars save lives. Wearing a seatbelt is thus mandated by law in numerous states. Continue clicking it. Question 8. Yellow light means A. Drive through the intersection at a rapid pace. The new green is yellow. B. Accelerate, but if the light turns red before you reach the junction, slam on the brakes. You should slow down in order to stop, but 1 out of 2 isn't bad. C. When you see a red light, slow down and halt. Answer C. Good work. A yellow light should be interpreted literally. By doing this, you can prevent being hit from behind or being broadsided by someone who runs a red light. Question 9. The best way to define your driving hand placement? A. There are 2 hands, one at 9 and the other at 3. B. There are 2 hands, one at 10 and the other at 2. C. Both hands should be on the steering wheel and keypad. Answer A. Good decision. To prevent injuries in the event of an airbag deployment, AAA safety experts now advise holding hands at either 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock or 8 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Additionally, this hand posture makes it possible to steer more precisely in an emergency and lessens arm strain. The correct response to these questions are, responsible drivers win. One small mistake is all it takes to create a roadblock. As a result, there is no distinction between a slightly risky driving style and a hazardous one. Though avoiding dangerous driving is half the battle, it's crucial to avoid becoming a victim as well. Be sure to buckle up, be on the lookout for reckless drivers, keep your hands on the wheel, and utilize your mirrors to keep an eye on your surroundings. Thank you. And please drive safe.